I like this bathroom. This is practical. I think it has to do with where they put it and the shape. This one's not bad. The others were very hard to get in and out of because they were down the alley. No good.
Just about every Class B utilizes a wet bath. Basically, that means your toilet is in the shower. So you are forced to shower where you shall do other things. That's fine, but I have a few parameters, in my mind.
This is probably the smallest bathroom shower I've ever seen.
First and foremost, I want plenty of room. I want the ability to shower standing up and to be able to comfortably towel dry.
Bathroom's a little tight. I like to stand to take a shower. You can't really do it in here, so you'd have to sit. I'm not sitting for a shower.
Next is smooth walls. Yep, smooth walls. You know a wet bath has to be dried after a shower, right? I like to use a squeegee. Well, too many angles and corners and crevices don't make for a pleasant squeegee session. The biggest problem area that I have seen is alongside and behind the toilet. You should be able to drag a squeegee and use a towel without it looking like a yoga fail. Now, don't think that the mere size of a bathroom dictates the shower size. If you see a nice vanity, for instance, or an electrical outlet, immediately look up and see where the shower curtain track is positioned on the ceiling. Always check the shower curtain track. In many cases, valuable elbow room is reduced by where and how the shower curtain is to be used. Storage has its place at the table of priorities, but tank capacity sits at the head of my table. All that glorious bathroom time comes at a price. Keep an eye on the tank capacities. A few gallons one way or the other could mean the difference between a few days more or less at that great remote place you found. I'm all about simplicity and stress-free freedom. I find the simple, straight gravity flush toilet to be the most trouble-free. Positioned directly over the black tank, straight shot right down into the tank. Any bends or elbows in that waste pipe could spell trouble. Just take care to lubricate the seals and you should be good to go. Pun intended. I like the access to the bathroom to be up front, across from the sliding door, rather than further down in the aisle. That way, the designers can make the bathroom a little deeper. If you see a bathroom in the aisle, you know it's going to be narrow inside, because they can't give up that precious aisle space. The finest bathroom I have ever seen in a Class B van is an advanced RV creation named Cruise Mobile. Absolutely gorgeous and fully functional. I really like the bathroom in that Winnebago Paseo. The curved shower area really opens things up. The timbre door is very innovative. I would try to make that fold-down sink just a little bit more residential, and then you've got a real winner here. I will take a page out of the Airstream design book. The bathrooms in their travel trailers are always very well done.
23 FBQ. Front bed, but you know what it's got back here is a rear bath. This is a bomb of a bathroom. If that's your priority, which for me it is, I want a nice, easy stall shower. I got one. Look at this sink. I mean, this is even good food prep. I might come in here to shape my vegetables. Toilet. This is magnificent. We could put this in the van. We could put this in the van. It's not hard. This is all in 23 feet. Magnificent.
A separate stall shower is a big benefit, yet quite difficult to achieve in a Class B van. In my build, I will do my best to have a dry bath with a separate stall shower. You'll see. You'll all see.